And today we're going to be checking out this mini rechargeable vegetable chopper. That's right, this is a nice, easy to grab vegetable chopper that you can keep in your kitchen. If you need to mince garlic real quick, cut up some celery, cut up some onions, cut up some carrots, whatever you might need to do. And this is going to do it quickly. But one of the really cool features about this is the fact that the container is actually made out of glass and the blades are made out of stainless steel. What's awesome about having the glass is then there's no risk of getting plastic shavings and stuff in your food, which is really, really cool. So let's go ahead, we're going to point the camera down, we're going to take a closer look at this, and then we're actually going to do some testing with it to see how well it chops. Alright, so here it is right here. This is everything you're going to get. You get a manual, of course, and you're going to have your little USB-C charge cord, and then you have the chopper. The chopper breaks down into just a few little pieces right here. Super easy to break down and clean. As I stated, this is a glass container that you're actually doing the chopping in, which is really cool. Usually they're a cheap plastic. It does have a soft rubber grip screwed on the bottom to keep it from sliding all over the countertop. This is your triple blade setup. They are stainless steel blades, and then you have a little cap right here, or a top that goes on. It does have a rubber seal on it, so you can just seal it off like that, and it's going to keep all your food and stuff inside while you're chopping. And then you have just the little rechargeable motor itself. The charge port is on the back. You have a rubber cover right here. You just pop this cover off, and that's where you charge it up. There's only one speed. You just hit this button right here on top to activate it, and it's nice and simple for easy operation. Now what we're going to do is we will put our blade back in. We're going to put the top on. You can see you have two little pegs right here, and those pegs do have to line up with these two holes to be able to activate it. You just put it in there like that, and now you're ready to go. You can see it spinning in there. But rather than chopping up air, let's go ahead and cut up a couple carrots. I have these little baby carrots right here that I'm going to chop up. I'll put a few of them in there. Carrots are going to be the true test of this thing, because if it doesn't have enough torque, it's not going to do a very good job of cutting those up. So I'm hopeful, because I haven't tested it yet, that it's going to get the job done. Let's see what happens. Alright, so that was real time. I'm blown away, to be honest with you. A lot of these little devices don't usually impress me very much, because I do a lot of reviews, but you can see how quick it handled those carrots. And to be honest, those were not the most moist carrots. They have been in the fridge for a while, so they were quite hard, but it certainly diced them down very fast to these little chunks. And I'm not speeding the footage up or anything. I want you to see the actual real work times. So now we're going to take some celery, and we're just going to break it up into some chunks. I didn't bring a knife for this demonstration, which I don't know what I was thinking, but we'll just throw these celery chunks in here real quick. Put the top on, set our little motor on there, and let's see what happens. Just like that. Too cool. When I first saw this, I thought it was going to be something I probably wouldn't use. This is definitely going in my kitchen. That motor is not straining at all with any of this, the carrots or the celery. I mean, it's just cutting straight through it. You can see inside how fine it's chopping some of it up. I'm going to go rinse this out real quick, and then we're going to come back and chop up some garlic, and then maybe some cheese too. Alright, so now I have some garlic. We'll put the blades back in there. We'll dump our garlic in. This is going to go really fast, I can tell. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. just like that. All real time. You can see the garlic in there is quite chopped up. I don't want to mix the garlic with these other veggies, so I'm going to put it over here on the plate. And I guess we're going to do the cheese, because cheese we know is a good test, like carrots. This thing can cut cheese up, and I'm not even sure it's designed for cheese. But, I mean, this isn't like the strongest piece of cheese. It's just pepper jack cheese. And we'll put it in there. Probably should have got some big blocks of cheddar cheese, but let's see what happens anyway. This is what I have. And now we have crumbled cheese. So we'll put that over here. Just like that. So I must say, this is a very effective and budget-friendly little chopper. You can cut up to 10 cups of celery and 15 cups of onions on a single charge. It's going to charge in 2 hours time. The motor is plenty powerful enough for cutting through carrots and celery and garlic and everything that we tried today. I never even heard the motor strain, and it cut it up really fast. So this is going to be a true time saver. The fact that this is all you have to clean, you can literally just rinse this off in the sink and you're done. And overall, I must say I'm impressed with this little device. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.